Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove silence from your Instagram Reels video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram Reel. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to select Reel. Oops, sorry guys. Going to select Reel, and then I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. I'm going to choose videos right here, and wait, I'm going to find my video. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to remove silence from this video. I'm going to tap on this video, and before I remove the silence, I'm going to show you the original video. I'm on the way to the office. Okay, and if we want to remove silence from our video, we need to go to the video editing, click on the edit video menu, and you're going to tap on your video or your clip until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now, and you can see the duration, right? I have 40 seconds duration in this video. And then if I want to remove silence, we can select the cut silence menu. Okay, and now the silence is being removed from my video. And just hold on guys. Okay, and the silence has been removed. And as you can see that the duration is getting shorter. Now we have 23 seconds of the video duration, and this is the result. I'm going to show you. I don't know, but I'm happy today. Okay, that's easy, right? You just need to go to the video editing on Instagram, then you will be able to remove silence from there. And before you post the video to your Instagram, you can continue the editing. You can add music or text or sticker. It's up to you. And once you're ready to share it, you can click on this arrow. Then you can write a caption and hashtag for your reel. You can tag people at location and customize your audience. And then once you're ready to share it, you can click on next. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove silence from our Instagram Reels video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.